Hi, are you a business owner? You might be running a business but can't keep the business growth for lack of experience. Or do you know that we can generate more revenue for your business? This is Mason with Digital Marketing Agency LLC. We are working in this field for 12 years and we are expert and we know how to generate more revenue for your business. We provide digital marketing service on time with proper quality checkups and also provide the after-sale service. So you name it, we do it. We have two major services. One is digital marketing and one is development service. In digital marketing service, you are getting brand awareness marketing, 2D, 3D video marketing, social media marketing, creative graphic design, targeted email marketing, content and article writing, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube, promotional video marketing, SEO. And in development, you are getting web maintenance, web development, hosting, domain registrations, e-commerce websites, ready-made software customizations, Android and iOS software customization. Feel free to contact us for free business consultancy and visit our website www.digitalmarketingagencyllc.com. Our email contact@digitalmarketingagencyllc.com or WhatsApp 347-946-2478. Our address 30th West 26th Street 10010 NY, United States. Thank you for watching the video.